Kate Middleton looked stunning today on day 13 of Wimbledon. She turned heads in a canary yellow dress. The Duchess of Cambridge was majestic as she stepped out to watch the Wimbledon women's singles final. She was the picture of summer in a bright yellow Roxanda dress. She opted for an ankle-length number. A small belt nipped the royal in at her tiny waist. The bodice of the dress was very form-fitting and the skirt fell into pleats. Undoubtedly the most exciting element of the dress was the gathering of yellow material on one side of the dress just under her neck. This added some dimension to the garment. It appeared to create a bow-like space. The Duchess accessorized with minimal jewelry. Only her stunning sapphire engagement ring and a pair of Kiki McDonough citrine pear drop earrings were on show at today's event. Kate was chic in a pair of white Gianvito Rossi pumps in white leather. She did not appear to be carrying a handbag. As for hair and makeup, the Duchess also went for the minimalist theme. She opted for a classic dark smoky eye. To complement the yellow dress, she added a sweep of bronze eyeshadow. Kate paired this elegant eye makeup look with a pretty pink lip. Royal fans took to social media to praise the Duchess' style. At Cadma Martin said, "Elegant. She is the sun, she is elegance, happiness. HRH Catherine is beautiful." At Biz Arrow Lady also deemed the royal stunning.